Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well. Guys, good evening from London town. The sun is coming down, but it's still shining. Guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, I'm here with another fantastic video on digital products. This one is looking at some fantastic niches, some fantastic sub niches, should I say, within the nurse niche. And I really want to go through this because I want to really explain how to find these amazing sub niches that you can really get some fantastic passive income on, and really like how much potential there is there, right? There's so many areas that are unsaturated, that are ready for us to actually tap into and make that amazing passive income, guys. Those golden nuggets are still there. Those diamonds in the rough are waiting for us to find. So guys, as usual, as I always do, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, you love researching, you love making that fantastic passive income, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Let me do the research for you. And remember, sharing is caring. So if you did like the video, please do share. Right, I'm going to go. I've been talking way too much. Even my voice is going. So guys, we're looking at the nurse niche. And I've looked at this before. If you remember, I actually explained a really cool way of how to find trending niches. Remember that video? If you look at the trending niches, look at my SEO playlist. It's really cool. There's lots of stuff there to help you really get those sales. But what I'm focusing on is I'm looking at some digital products within the nurse niche. Now, the nurse niche is very underrated. If you remember on that trending video, we saw some like crazy sales, like 80k, 50k products that were selling. Granted, they were physical, but then we found some digital products that are amazing, doing 20, 30k. Crackers. Absolutely. A month, guys. A month, right? So professions, as I've said it before, professions, niches within professions are really cool. Nurses, teachers, chefs, things like that. And I did a video on it, so please do check it out. So do check out professions because they're very underrated. Now I'm looking at nurses. I'm looking at nurse digital, right? And if you look at the nurse digital niche, look, you got clip art nurses. You got this. This one is a beast, by the way. See this one here, that bestseller. It's crazy, making silly money. But literally, this one is like the nursing bundle, where it actually helps nurses with regards to all the different topics they need to learn about. You know, whether it be respiratory, all the kind of body kind of things that they need to learn about. Not that I'm a nurse, so I don't really know what they are, but they are really cool, and they got some great images and great information. But that really makes a lot of money. That is not really, that's a high skill level. That's not really something that maybe we would do or I would do. I'm looking at simple digital products that I can make within a niche through Midjourney AI or through Canva, quite simply. That's what I'm trying to do. So these clip arts are something that I could do. These really cool, nice chibi clip arts in the healthcare scene, they can be done. You can see these clip arts also on that top line as well. These like really nice, cool nurse and doctor ones. I could do that as well. And then you come down to other things. Look at these cool watercolor medical. This is really nice, actually. Look, let me just go on to this. So this is quite nice. There's so many things actually when you delve into it. Look at these watercolor, like really cool watercolor medical papers. They are so nice. Look, and they're very popular, 20 plus in a basket. Let's just have a look at these individually. Oh, watercolor, look. Watercolor is very popular anyway. So watercolor in anything is gonna do quite well. Obviously, you know, not everything does well in watercolor, but you know, people tend to like watercolor. So, you know, it's got a good chance, should I say, of doing well. Look at these. Guys, this is crazy. I've looked at this one. This is, well, I'm gonna be looking at this one, so I'm not gonna look at it now. It's crazy. It's so easy to do. It's massive bundle, but I'll leave that for now. I'm coming to that. I'm just kind of giving you a flavor of the kind of things that you could look at that actually, as us, for me as a kind of novice in terms of the nurse scene or doctor scene, it's not something that it's not my expertise. But as a designer, I can appreciate things and I can start creating things within the nurse niche and that we can all do. So there's a lot of potential in this, and I just really wanted to show you like all the kind of things that we could do really within this. Look, wallpaper, digital paper is something that we could do. Nurse clipper, this is really cool, really nice. Medical doodles, this is again something that can be done. And look, there's some 2K. So there's a lot of potential within professions, guys, especially doctors, nurses. It's a really cool one. A lot of people like it. The tumblers, oh wow, do you remember I did a video on, there was a like 10K, a nurse tumbler making 10K. Actually, I might be doing it today. I might be talking about it today, so let me not go on too much. So loads and loads of things, clipper, tumblers, digital paper, all the things that we love to do, guys. Stickers, loads, digital planners as well, guys. They go along with, look, all in one. So yeah, lots of things. So what I'm going to focus on today is, this is the first one, the easiest thing to do. Look at these fantastic bundle of, you know, if you like, SVG bundle quotes and things like that. That, you know, these things are so versatile. Look at that. Nurses call the shot. Living the nurse life. Yo. Love, scrub, nurse is my life. Yeah, so you can use this for so many different like professions, right? I can imagine. I'm in nursing school. First I drink the coffee, then I save the lives. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So look, these are like a bundle, massive bundle, and the files in different formats. Cool. And then you can use it for I like this because it shows you, and this is what you got to do, guys. Whenever you're selling a listing, you must show off your product. Mockups, show off your product. The amount of people sometimes that honestly, they don't do the mockups, and the mockups are sometimes a thing that sells your product. So please, guys, mockups you must do. So yeah, nursing is a work of heart. Oh, I like that. That is cute. They're superheroes. Nurses are superheroes, guys, for sure. You know, doctors, nurses, amazing job. I take my hat off to them, because honestly, they deserve so much more pay, and they're doing such an amazing job. So guys, amazing. If you're a nurse or a doctor, take my hat off to you. Anyways, coming back to this, look at this. This is how versatile these SVGs are. Amazing. Look at these. They can be used for so many things. You know, t-shirts, shirts, loads of things. So the versatility is what's selling this. But it's amazing, guys. Like, I know that I could create this as well really quickly. I mean, this is how many? A bundle of what? Let's have a look. Bundle of 20. Right, let's see how much this makes. Just this. It's like I said, it can be done really quick. Nice little bundle. $369. Guys, not too shabby. Like, really not too shabby. And, you know, like I said, in this case, this would probably be a more suited for Canva. Like I said, I look at things whether they be suited for Midjourney AI or Canva, and I try and like choose one that I think it might work for. And like in this case, it'd probably be Canva. And, you know, it would just literally be, you know, you looking down and it might be creating something. So you click on a type of font style, and you might just start writing something, you know, nurses. And it could be just, let me just do something very quickly, guys. Save lives, you know, boom. And then I kind of little add something to it, put that in the corner, add loads and loads of these guys. And like I said, go and save it in different formats. And the beautiful thing is I can add little elements to it. So let me just show you. So it could be like nurse. It could be a little icon. I might use it. Obviously, it's going to be a graphics related one. It's not going to be, you know, and it might be a little icon, you know, little stethoscope, right? Something like that goes around it. And like I said, guys, with Canva, you know, so much can be done, which is amazing. So I might just have a little logo design like that and just have it sitting there next to the word nurses, right? Nurses save lives. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes. Medical equipment. And again, you know, you could get loads of different types of medical equipment. This is what's amazing about Canva. Guys, check out all the links in my description for everything I use, you know. And you know, or it could be an injection one, and then I could create something around that. So guys, I could fill up this page in like 10 minutes, right? I can fill up this page in 10 minutes, easy, boom, ready to go. So that'll be like one. That'll be an idea of one thing that is created. So let me go to the next thing. That's the first one. The next thing could be something like this. which is simply the word nurse with a few of the things, the tools, the things that they use. Again, very simple to produce. And if you remember, if you've seen my educational video, you'll see that there's something quite similar where there was a PE teacher one. Again, these are like across all professions, they are very popular because sometimes, you know, someone's proud of what they do, so they'll literally just have the word of, you know, of their profession in a nice, beautiful PNG design, which can be used for many things. It's not just a t-shirt. That can be used for a tumbler. It can be used for many products. Could be wall art, lots of things, as long as the resolution is good. And again, this could be produced really quickly. $446, amazing. 6 in a basket, does well. Got to take into account, it's got a discount at the minute. But this is this is just one thing. You get a digital download file, 1 PNG. Boom, easy, right? Simple. Right, let's go to the next one because we're quick with this one. But also there's things like this, the clip art. The chibi clip arts that people also love. These clip arts are really like, people love these little clip arts, especially when they're versatile, when you can actually use different parts. Look, you got different options, skin tones, doctor shirt, shoes, like hairstyles. Look, you got 9 in a basket, so people are liking it. I mean, like I said to you, clip art can work for professions too. You got 255 element PNGs, and you can literally customize your own nurse or doctor clipper character. Amazing. So there's so many things within this niche. It's just fun. It's just really cool. But like I said, this is just to give you a flavor of how to find those sub niches within the niche and hopefully help you get that fantastic passive income. So guys, it's not a long video, it's a really short one. So if you did like the video, hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share, because sharing is caring, guys, and that's good karma. And guys, as usual, please check out the videos that come next, and do check out my playlist. Check out the links in my description for everything I use, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.